Hey everybody, it's me Megs, and today I wanted to share with you guys some new products that I just tried out by Camille Rose. But first, my hair is washed because this is how I start off my twist outs. I did use the Camille Rose, I think it's the Pear Ginger Cleanser, and I did use the Algae Renewal Mask, and I absolutely love it. My hair has been loving those products since I big chopped. So I did try the Camille Rose new leave-in line, and this is the Latte, and they have a set of 3. So this is the first of the 3 that I'm trying out. Now I will say that I did do sponsored content on Instagram, but this was not required of me, so I wanted to share anyway because these products are so bomb. So I used the Define leave-in conditioner, and I really like how it detangled my hair. I also do my twist outs in really small sections because I like that really defined small curl look. So I applied this from root to end and proceeded to detangle, and you guys, my hair felt like better. And also my little curlies are defined too, so I decided to try this one out first and just proceed to put that in each section. Now I did do the Honey Hydrate on top. Now this one here, okay, changed the game for me. This is my absolute favorite. This is the Honey leave-in, and honey is one of my favorite things for hair growth. I've always used honey in my relaxed hair days, so when I saw that they had a honey leave-in, I was like, okay, instant moisture. So this bad boy right here, I feel like was the key as far as keeping my hair super moisturized, like moisture maximum. Okay, so I did apply this on top. I kind of wanted to try all of them at one time to see how my hair does. So I will say it stretched my curls out a little bit, and it does weigh the curls down for sure. So I did seal with the Herbal Tea Soft and Seal. Hopefully I'm saying everything right. All the names of the products that I'm using is down in the description. So I applied this on top just to seal everything in, and my hair feels really good. This oil is really lightweight, and you can also use this on the skin. So I applied all of these. Some of you might say like, ooh, that's a lot, but I'm just trying it out just to try it out. I do have my favorites out of this line, of course, that I'll share with you guys towards the end. So I applied all 3 of those, and I twisted my hair up, and I will say my hair is super duper soft. It's super moisturized, and I just proceed to twist my hair up in small sections. This is something that I always do because I just find that it works best for me, because this is also my protective style. I kind of wear my hair in multiple twists underneath my wigs as well, and I keep my hair like this majority of the time for like a week. But with this time around, I was able to make this twist out last close to 2 weeks. Okay, so like I said, just do really small sections, and I feel like that is how I'm able to keep my twist out for so long, because when I do wear my twist out, I unravel these twists probably like 2 to 3 days after the fact, after I initially wash my hair and let it air dry. So I let it dry for about 2 days, or just wear it for 2 days, and then unravel the twist and wear it, and then to preserve it, I'll just twist it back. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I'm just proceeding to put the random twists in my hair. It doesn't have to be perfect parts, but you can see that there's a lot of twists in there, so it's just a little time consuming, but I feel like it's definitely worth it. And the products that I used really worked really well too. I didn't have any residue. As you can see, it really worked its way into my hair, and my hair is super hydrated and super juicy. These products are the bomb. So I let my hair air dry into these twists, and it might be a couple days before I unravel them. So my hair is fully dry because I let them dry for about 2 days in the twist just to make sure that they're fully dry. My hair wasn't fully dry when I unraveled them, but it's okay. So to unravel these, I am gonna use the Seal and Soften. I'm sorry if I'm saying the names wrong, but all the names are in the description. So what I'm going to do is I take a little bit of the oil just to prevent frizz, and this oil is great for preventing frizz. So I just gently unravel each twist and make sure I kind of put the oil on my fingertips to make sure that my twists are nice and defined, and they are. Look at the definition there, y'all. Like, this is insane. I feel like this is the most moisturized my hair has felt since my natural hair journey, using these leave-ins in conjunction with the other Camille Rose products that I use. I just feel like my hair works really well with Camille Rose. So I'm really satisfied with how twisted my hair is, or how defined my twists are. And it's just everything. And my hair is so moisturized, y'all. It didn't all the way fluff like I like it to in these clips, but I don't mind. I don't mind that, because my hair is so juicy. Someone asked me when I wore my hair out, these are the results. They were like, is your hair wet? I was like, no, it's just so moisturized, I'm telling you. So as you can see here, it's like crazy moisturized. So it might look a little heavy, which I don't mind, which is why I was able to make this twist out last for 2 weeks. Okay, so I would just kind of like wear it and then retwist it at night, and of course moisturize it using some rose water, and then apply a moisturizer on top. So this is my 2-week results. This clip was taken 2 weeks after this video clip, and my hair is super moisturized. The fluff is insane. So I feel like my twists work better or look better days after the initial wash. So yeah, you guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will say that my favorite product out of the leave-in line would be the honey. So if you're looking for one that you just want to try out one first, go for the honey. Okay, you will not be disappointed with the honey. Okay, the honey is it. So as always, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.